My name is Maria and I'm reading Proverbs 29 verse 15. The rod and the food give wisdom, but a child left to himself brings shame to his mother.
Children, clap!
My name is Christiana Darlington.
No, I will stop the film.
Ephesians 6 verse 1. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right.
Stop the food. Stop the food. Because you are not listening, stop the food. And those at the back, I'm not hearing your clapping hands. I want you to please stop the food, win the food back to the back.